complicated. It always is. That's just the way it goes. Feels like I waited so long for this. I wonder if it shows. Head underwater, now I can't breathe. It never felt so good. 'Cause I can feel it coming over me. I wouldn't stop it if I could. Will I take over? Yeah. You know you can't deny. Will I take over? Yeah. 'Cause something's here tonight. Give me a reason. I gotta know. Do you feel it too? Can't you see me here on overload? And this time I blame you. Looking out for you to hold my hand. It feels like I could fall. Now love me right, like I know you can. We could lose it all, but I take over. Yeah, you know you can't deny. Will I take over? Something's here tonight, 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 tonight,
La prossima serie Sofia Ferrari in 2, Adele Dalla Torre in 3, Laura Mazzotta in 4, Francesca Tarantello in 5, Leonora Taucher in 6, Martina Collodel in 7.
Will love takes over? Will love takes over?
Beatrice Zaminato 3 piscine, conclude per lei 2:22:60.